Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 9th of January. How we'll go about with the video is we'll check what are the energies that we see for you and your person. So the first row is for you, the second row is for your person, but feel free to flip if you find that the energies are reversed. Now for me, the top row is always for the sign that I'm doing the video for. Now a quick disclaimer before we start, please only take what resonates with you. What doesn't resonate, please go ahead and leave that. So let's quickly begin and see what are the messages we have from the tarot cards. The first card for you is Two of Pentacles, the Strength card, and the Queen of Cups. Person B here, your partner has Knight of Wands, Death card, and the King of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I have Queen of Pentacles, which means both of you are doing really good when it comes to your money finances. Now from the first set of cards, I see you have Two of Pentacles, which means that you're trying to balance two situations. You're dealing with two situations and somehow trying to, balance those two situations. The second card that I see for you is Strength card, which is Leo's energy. In order to tackle a situation, you will have to put in a lot of courage, bravery to deal with that situation. The third card for you is Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups is that energy where you want to receive love and affection. That's a feminine energy where you want to go ahead and receive. Now it doesn't mean it's only for females. That's the energy. So when you will be in this energy, you would want to receive love and affection instead of providing. Now this person B here, the first card for them is Knight of Wands, which is a fast moving energy, and with Wands it talks more about passion. So this is not a very mature energy. The second card here is Death card, which means there's some kind of transformation which is required. And the third card being King of Cups. This person has emotions for you, but they somehow don't go ahead and express it. Now let's see what is the intention of this person for you. So the first card is Three of Cups, Chariot card, and the Hermit card. Three of Cups is the energy where there could be a third person, okay, or a third energy that's somehow trying to interfere in this relationship. Chariot card is Cancer's energy where this person wants to march forward, and with the Hermit energy, that's Virgo's energy. They want to go ahead and reflect. So they will take some time out, they will reflect things, they will analyze and see what is happening and what actions they have taken, what actions did you go ahead and put in, and why things are the way they are right now. Now let's also see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see for you is luck is on your side, which is a very positive sign. This means that positive things are going to happen for you. You just need to be a little more patient when you go ahead and deal with this situation. Now let's also see what is the message we have from archangels, and if there is a crystal that can help you out in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Red Tiger's Eye. The crystal message being, do you need some motivation? Do you find your mind wandering when you are trying to stay focused? If so, you need to find your passion and begin experiencing the rewards that come with living it. Do what you love. Prosperity is yours, but you must take action. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Ariel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box and you can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.